Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to go over why auto car insurance is worth it, or at least worth considering for your car insurance needs. And we are going to go through pros and cons, key takeaways, other facts that you need to know about auto car insurance. And we are going to start with the pros and cons. The pros are: online application process is simple to use, searches multiple insurers to find the best one for your needs. So that means that they just give you the default available one. They actually look for the right insurers that fits your needs and fits your vehicle. The cons, however, is that it does not display an actual insurance quote, limited information on the website, and personal information may be shared with third-party providers. So that's not good. To be honest, like, privacy is very paramount for a lot of people. Here are the key takeaways. Otto is not a car insurance company. It is an online marketplace that connects customers with insurers. So remember, it is not in on itself an online insurance company. It is an online marketplace that connects you to the most ideal insurance company that fits your needs, right? The second one is that you can begin the quote process online, but will have to speak with an agent to get a quote and purchase coverage. Third is, auto customers may be able to customize selected coverage with features like accident forgiveness and roadside assistance. So why should you use auto car insurance? Because Otto is a digital insurance marketplace, not an insurer, and it may be a good option for drivers looking for a simple way to compare quotes while shopping for a new policy. Note that Otto does not share your information with third-party, including insurance agents, carriers, and lead aggregators. So this type of service is best for people who don't mind receiving unsolicited calls, texts, or emails targeted at signing up new customers. Now, what does auto car insurance cover? We're going to go one by one, right? So while auto insurance isn't an auto insurance provider, it connects customers to different insurance companies. Your state's laws may require certain coverage. However, your coverage options may vary across insurers and locations. So we're going to go with liability first. So liability car insurance provides financial protection if you're found legally responsible for an accident causing injury, death, or damage. It can also apply if someone else is driving your car and caused an accident. Liability insurance typically includes coverage for bodily injury and property damage. The second one is comprehensive. Comprehensive coverage protects your vehicle from an incident that is not a car accident, such as a natural disaster, if somebody steals your car, if somebody sets your vehicle on fire, or somebody vandalizes your car. Third one is collision. This insurance pays for repairing or replacing your vehicle after an accident. If somebody totaled your car, if it was a full-on collision, meaning two cars hit each other, even if you are at fault, it still covers for collision insurance. Personal injury protection, or PIP. Personal injury protection, often called PIP, or no-fault insurance, covers the cost for any injuries to you and your passengers after an accident, no matter who was at fault. So that means even if it was you or the other party that led to the accident, personal injury protection, or PIP, covers your hospital bills and so on and so forth, right? Uninsured or underinsured motorist. Some drivers on the road may lack sufficient car insurance or have none at all. Uninsured and underinsured coverage protects you and your passengers if an injury results from an accident involving a driver with inadequate car insurance. So what does that mean? That means that if the party that initiated the accident does not have insurance, or does have, or they do have insurance, but it does not meet the quota or the needed amount to cover costs for everything, for repair, for hospitals, hospital bills and whatnot, this will make sure that you are covered, right? Again, if the other party does not have insurance, or their insurance is not enough to cover everything, uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance will cover you. So you don't need to worry about that. Next is medical payments. This is very, very simple. So medical payment insurance is an optional addition to your regular policy, offering extra coverage for medical expenses related to accidents for you, your passengers, and even pedestrians. So that means this covers not only you, but if you are the one who were at fault for the accident, you can also cover the person that was, well, injured, right? So very easy. It's both parties. Medical payments cover both parties, which is a pretty good addition to your insurance coverage. SR22. If you had significant moving violations or your license revoked, your state might mandate submitting an SR22 form. This confirms that you have sufficient liability insurance to meet the state's standards. Certain car insurers may assist you with finding the necessary paperwork for an SR22 and alert your state that you are now covered. So that's a bit complicated, but it is what it is, right? Last is gap insurance. If you finance your vehicle and it is totaled in an accident, gap insurance covers the gap between your car's actual cash value and your remaining loan balance. So what does that mean? If your vehicle is totaled and cannot be used anymore, the gap, the amount between your car's value and the remaining balance that you're paying will be filled in by the gap insurance coverage. So even if your car is totaled, you don't need to worry about the remaining amount that you need to pay for the loan, right? So that is gap insurance. So again, those are the insurance coverage that auto car insurance covers: liability, comprehensive, collision, PIP, uninsured/underinsured, medical payments, SR22, and gap insurance. So what are the additional options offered by auto car insurance? Accident forgiveness is a benefit from a certain car insurance provider that prevents you from your premium from increasing after you're at fault in an accident. So, it's kind of like a penalty so that you could raise your premium if you're the one at fault. Roadside assistance is a service from your insurance company that helps in roadside emergencies. It's very, very, it's very simple. Rental car reimbursement assists in paying the cost of a rental car while your vehicle is in the shop following a covered accident. Lastly, ride-sharing insurance. This insurance provides additional coverage for those who work as drivers for ride-sharing services such as Uber and Lyft. What are the other insurance offered by auto car insurance? According to Auto's website, the company can also assist you with finding quotes for the following types of insurance. These are home, life, pet, and commercial insurance, among others. So, and as you can see, we are back on the website, and these are the main insurance, like auto, pet, home, and life. We focus on auto, and again, there is an app for that, and there's a lot of people who are opting for auto, right? So we've seen if you click start saving, you're gonna be brought here again. So we've seen auto. We're just gonna show you life insurance for a second. As you can see, it's not working, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it in this video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.